Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. Today I thought I would film a little day in the life, show you guys what we get up to today and just take you guys along. I feel like fall is officially here. It is so cold today and rainy, and it's been like this for the last few days. I really feel the seasons are changing, and I always like this time of year because I feel like it feels like nice and refreshing. I like to get cozied up in sweaters like this and just feel like nice and snuggly. And because it's really cold, I'm actually really in the mood to make us a nice soup for dinner tonight. I think I'm gonna do like a pumpkin fall inspired type of soup. So I thought I would show you guys that as well, and then we'll just have like a nice cozy day at home. We do have a couple of errands to run, but other than that, it's gonna be a nice chill day. This is my really cozy outfit of the day today, just staying at home. I'm wearing my gray joggers. These are from ASOS. I believe the brand is River Island. I'll see if I can find them and link them below, but they are super soft and cozy. And then I've just got some really warm socks on as well. And then I've got on this really big, comfy, super cozy sweater. This is actually a few years old, so they don't have it anymore, but I will see if I can find something similar and link it for you guys down below. And this is one thing about fall that is just so nice. I'm really into this right now, but I'm sure by the time like January, February comes, I'm gonna be so over the cold. But right now, I'm actually quite enjoying it. So yeah, this is my outfit. I've received quite a bit of PR in the last few days, and it's been a while since I sat down and did like a little unboxing, so I thought I would share some of the things I got. And this first package is so cute. This is from Pixie, and they've just come out with their new hydrating milky collection, and the PR package is literally like a carton of milk, or like a crate of carton of milk, and it is so beautiful. I love the way that they presented this, and in each of these little like milk cartons is a product. So for instance, this one right here is their hydrating milky makeup remover. It looks like this. And then I also opened the hydrating milky cleanser, which looks like that. And yeah, I just thought this was so cute. I had to share it with you guys. Another really exciting package is from Cult Beauty. You guys know that I love to shop on Cult Beauty, and they send out PR packages. I think it's like once a month or so with some of their new launches and products that they think I might like. I did open this, but I haven't gone through the products yet because I wanted to do it with you guys. So this first product is from Coco and Eve. It's called Glow Figure, and it says it's a Bali buffing sugar. I'm actually a huge fan of their hydrating hair mask. I bought several of those in the last few years. So this looks like it's a new product from them, and I hope it smells as good as their hair mask because that one smells delicious. Oh my gosh, this smells like strawberry, like a strawberry smoothie acai bowl or something like that. Kind of looks like that too. I'm just reading the ingredients. It has sweet almond oil, it has coconut oil, coconut flour sugar, I guess that's like the exfoliant. It's also got coconut shell powder. Next we've got from Darling, this is the Glowy Face Cream SPF 50. I've really been enjoying my Elta MD SPF. My skin is just so sensitive, so I have to be really careful with like, especially with sunscreens. So I might end up putting that in a giveaway. Next up we have from Beauty Stat. This is their Universal C Skin Refiner. It says it has 20% vitamin C, and I believe this is a serum. Yeah, it feels like a serum. It's very nice and lightweight. It doesn't have any fragrance, and it has a really nice kind of like smooth, almost like a dimethicone kind of finish, but it doesn't have any dimethicone inside. And I love a good vitamin C serum, so I might give that a try. Next we have from the Cult Beauty brand. That's cool. These are reusable bamboo cotton pads. Oh, these look so nice. You get a set of 10 pads. You've got some black ones and white ones, and then this cute little bag that I think you can wash them in your laundry. And then we've got from Glow Recipe, this is their papaya sorbet enzyme cleansing balm. It says it's makeup melting and smoothing. It says here, melt stubborn makeup and smooth skin from the start of your routine with this PEG-free cleansing balm. I actually really enjoy to double cleanse my skin in the evenings just to really make sure that I'm getting rid of the SPF and any makeup and things like that. I also like with cleansing balms like this, you can really give yourself a nice little facial massage as you are cleansing your face because it has that beautiful like slip to the product. Let's see what else we've got from Patrick Ta. This is their Major Glow Dewy Milky Mist. The name of this is She's Thirsty. That's cute. This says it's infused with rosehip, aloe, and green tea extract. This refreshing milky mist revives the skin and leaves a youthful, dewy glow. And I love the packaging of these products. I can really appreciate that now when I know how much goes into development, and design, and production, and all of that. Okay, next we have from Sand and Sky. This is their Tasmanian Spring Water Hydration Boost Cream. It says hydrate and smooth, get an instant burst of hydration and help improve the appearance of fine lines. This weightless water cream delivers long-lasting moisture containing 2 types of hyaluronic acid and a unique botanical blend. Because it's in a jar, I'm not going to stick my finger inside and try it because I want to give some of these products away to you guys as well. And then the last 2 things we have in here, this is from Kopari. This is their coconut body milk. It says this quick absorbing coconut body lotion gets under your skin to keep it silky soft all day long. That smells so amazing, very tropical, vacation-y. And then the last thing I got is from Four Sigmatic. This is their instant coffee powder with lion's mane and chaga extract. So I've actually never tried this one, but I did buy their hot cocoa, or it might be called their hot chocolate. I'll pop in a picture of it here, and I really like that one. I think that one has reishi inside, which is a more calming mushroom. I'm actually not the biggest coffee drinker. I sometimes like a cappuccino, so I probably will put this in a giveaway for one of you guys as well. And then the last thing I got is from Say. This was also sent from Cult Beauty, so this must be one of the new brands that they are carrying, and I really loved the packaging of these products. And this is a new makeup line. It says, say hello to the brand that's changing the face of makeup for the better. I will make sure to have the Cult Beauty site below, and also the Pixie site and the Say if you guys want to check out any of these brands. About to have some lunch. I just made myself this really nice big green salad with cucumbers, smoked salmon, avocado, tomatoes, and the dressing on top is my cilantro and cashew dressing. I will have the recipe down below. And then I also made myself this kind of like tea slash latte. I love this English tea shop intense chai tea. It is so good. It's naturally decaffeinated as well, so I sometimes drink this in the evenings. It is so delicious and perfect for this type of weather. So I first put some hot water inside and I just let it brew for a little bit, and then I poured some warm whipped almond milk on top and some cinnamon as well, and this is going to be so good. Now going to get dinner ready, and I'm gonna make a pumpkin soup. I've been craving this since the weather's been getting colder. And how cute is this pumpkin? It looks so beautiful, but it does look a little bit small. So I also got this butternut squash, so I'm gonna use all of this pumpkin and then probably about half of this. And then I'm also going to put an onion in the soup, some garlic, some coconut milk, and a little dash of cinnamon. And then I'm also going to make some cauliflower in my air fryer, and it's going to be nice and like crispy, so we're going to have that on the side. So first I'm going to bake the pumpkin and the butternut squash. I've got my oven tray here with some parchment paper. I'm just going to slice this up and take out all the seeds and then put it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then just scoop out the flesh and then add that to the soup. Our dinner is done. This looks so good. We've got the pumpkin and butternut squash soup here with coconut milk. Here we have the cauliflower that I just put in the air fryer, but you can do the exact same thing and just use your oven if you don't have an air fryer. Works great as well. And then we are also going to share just a simple green salad on the side. And this soup, you guys, is so incredible. I already tasted this as it was done cooking. I think it's one of my favorite soups I've ever made. It is so good. I would highly recommend to try this, and of course, as always, I will make sure to have recipes and everything down below in the description box. I've just had a really nice shower. I've washed my face, taken my contacts out. I've done my skincare routine, and I am planning on sharing that very soon. I think I will do my evening skincare routine next Sunday because on Wednesday we have our very exciting launch. So definitely make sure to check out Wednesday's video. It's going to be a really special one, and we've been working so hard on all of this, and I'm so excited for everything to just be out really soon. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Mo and I are now going to sit on the couch, relax. I hope you're all having a beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.